Facebook Safety Tips for Seniors. Simple Guide for Beginners. Hello and welcome. Facebook is a great way to stay connected with family and friends, but it's also important to know how to use it safely. Today, I'm going to share some simple Facebook safety tips to help you protect yourself and feel more confident online. Let's get started. Be careful who you accept as a friend. First, be careful about who you accept as a friend. Only accept friend requests from people you know and trust. Scammers often create fake profiles that look real, even using photos of people you may recognize. If you're not sure, don't accept the request. Don't share personal information. Second, avoid sharing personal information on Facebook. This includes your address, your phone number, your banking information. The less personal information you share, the safer you are. Watch out for suspicious messages. Third, be careful with messages, even if they appear to come from someone you know. If a message asks for money, gift cards, or personal information, it may be a scam. When in doubt, contact the person another way to confirm. Check your privacy settings. Fourth, take a moment to review your privacy settings. Make sure your posts are only visible to people you trust. This helps protect your information from strangers. Don't click suspicious links. Finally, never click on links that seem unusual or unexpected. Even if it comes from a friend, their account may have been hacked. If something feels off, don't click it. If this feels like a lot, that's okay. You're learning something new, and every step you take helps keep you safe. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and safe technology tips designed just for you. You deserve to feel confident and safe online.